So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So I've received many queries related to Tata Power because after the excellent move the stock has given from the levels which we have discussed. So already 2.5x returns were generated from this particular stock from where actually we have started discussing. So 90 rupees was the first video when we discussed about Tata Power. So after that on regular basis I used to update the levels and especially the technicals also were clearly discussed. So now since the last 3 to 4 sessions we have seen a little bit of profit booking and sideways manner. So many people had questions related to can we enter at the current levels and what would be the next possible target. So these are the few questions that many people are having. So we'll try to discuss each and everything in detail. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so whenever we discuss about Tata Power, so obviously one thing comes in mind is to hold for long term. So I see many people take short term profits and they exit in especially Tata Power stock, but that is not at all advised. Obviously you can do swing trading, but try to see that you are also buying this particular stock for long term as well. So this is a very good stock for long term and has some very bright future. So all the Tata companies, whether it may be Tata Motors, Tata Power, TCS, whatever it may be. So try to allocate a little much of quantity for long term because they give some very steady and consistent returns. So even it may take little bit of time, but in returns they do not compromise. So that is the specialty of Tata companies. So in the same way, Tata Power also back to back in the last week itself, we have seen a very good positive momentum. Upper circuits were observed, and after that we know market itself has come into little bit of profit booking region where all the small caps and mid caps have observed a little bit of correction. Even large caps also have corrected to a certain extent. So if you observe the day-to-day wise deliveries, we can observe on 21st October 20.9% deliveries were taken. So earlier in the range of 15 to 20 the deliveries were fluctuating, but on an average we can expect 20 to 25% delivery. So that is pretty good thing. So for this particular stock, and if we see the price movement, so earlier 14%, 15% movement also was observed, and whatever the correction we are seeing now is completely negligible and a little bit sideways manner is observed. So that is a little healthy move. So once we go to technical charts, clearly we'll discuss the price action and where actually the stock is taking the support and what is the resistance. Okay, so first we'll try to discuss on weekly chart time frame, and you can see current price is around 223.95, and if you see weekly chart, you can see 3 weeks continuous uptrend was observed in the stock, and this particular week also it has given a very positive start and crossed the 250 rupees and even approached the 260 as well. But after that we know obviously profit booking happens because of this much big uptrend. So there many people were struck, especially people have taken near 250, 248. I've received many messages, I'm talking about that. So there many people are struck. So they're asking about whether we can average. So definitely you can start averaging in Tata Power. So no questions about that. But I suggest whatever the capital are having, try to allocate at least small portions at each and every support. Okay, and if we try to observe money flow index as well, almost after approaching the overbought region, so still many people are not actually willing to sell. So clearly it is a long term stock, and so once we go to daily chart, there also we'll discuss the levels, but right now you can see the best support currently the stock is facing is near the 220 rupees level. So that is going to be very important. So after that 200 obviously is the major support. So current support you can take around 220. and resistance where the stock actually is facing around is the 245 rupees level. So there we can take a resistive region. So 250 or 245. So this particular range, whatever we have discussed, is going to be very, very important, and you need to watch this particular range whether it is giving a breakout, and you can consistently increase your quantity when confirmation is present. Okay, so now let's go to daily chart. Okay, so once you observe the daily chart clearly, so you can see this was the particular day where we have seen a big red candle, and after that we have seen little bit of same averaging movement where all the people who have taken at high levels, they have started averaging, but again same way little bit of sideways manner is also observed. So support wise, clearly I told you 220 is a very strong support, and you need to keep that in radar if you are a swing trader. And coming to resistive region, so first resistive region, as I told, you can take 240 as a resistive region in daily chart, and you can see once it crosses 240 quickly, you can expect the stock to cross 250 plus, and again it will face the resistance near the 270 rupees region. So this is very clear. So whatever the profit booking we have seen, that is must, and it has happened already. You can see this particular rally, it has given a beautiful rally. So because of that rally itself, now we are seeing little bit of profit booking, and market itself has shown some correction. So major stocks, especially power segment stocks, recently have given huge rally. We already observed that. So that is the one reason why even Tata Power has also started initial correction. So that is not any major correction. So still potential is present. Try to search for averaging. And best level, as I told, 220 is first important support, after that 200. So these are the complete levels you need to observe. So target wise, you can keep first target 250, second target 275. So these can be the near term targets. And money flow is 61. So completely settled. Earlier it was in overbought region. So it is in a very positive region, not at all in any over zone. So you can keep averaging in small portions for a long term. So this is all about Tata Power. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.